how to make money with real estate without owning property. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Real estate is one of the top ways to build wealth. But what if I told you that you can make money in real estate without actually owning property? Sounds crazy, right? Today, I'll walk you through 5 powerful strategies that can help you earn from real estate without making a property purchase. Let's jump right in. 5 ways to make money in real estate without owning property. 1. Real estate wholesaling. First up is real estate wholesaling. It's a popular option because you need very little capital to start. Here's how it works. You find a property selling below market value, secure it under contract, and then assign that contract to an investor for a profit. You don't buy the property yourself, you're simply a middleman between the seller and buyer. The difference between the price you secure and the price the investor pays is your profit. Imagine earning $5,000, $10,000, or more just by facilitating a deal without owning the property. It's a great way to get started in real estate. Have you ever considered wholesaling? Let me know in the comments. 2. Airbnb Arbitrage. Next, we have Airbnb Arbitrage. This method allows you to rent a property and sublease it on platforms like Airbnb. The idea is to pay a fixed rent to the landlord and make a higher income from short-term rentals. The key here is to negotiate with the property owner and ensure they allow subleasing. Once you get the go-ahead, you can start earning through short-term rentals without actually owning the property. It's a smart way to generate passive income while leveraging someone else's property. Enjoying these tips? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate strategies. 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Third on the list is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. This is one of the easiest and most passive ways to get into real estate. REITs allow you to invest in large-scale properties, like offices, malls, and hotels, without owning them. It works like a stock. You invest in a REIT, and they pay you dividends from the rental income they generate. With as little as $100, you can start investing in REITs. It's a great way to get exposure to real estate without the responsibilities of being a landlord. There is pro tip. You have to look for REITs that have a history of paying high dividends. Real estate wholesaling, Airbnb arbitrage, real estate investment trusts, real estate crowdfunding, property management. These strategies give you flexibility to earn in real estate without having to make a property purchase. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Another fantastic option is real estate crowdfunding. Thanks to technology, you can now pool your money with other investors to fund large real estate projects through platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. It's simple. You invest a small amount, and the platform handles everything, including property management. Your returns are based on the success of the project. It's a great way to diversify your investments without having to own or manage a property. 5. Property management. Last but not least is property management. If you have strong organizational skills, you can manage other people's properties. Property owners, especially those with multiple rentals, often need help managing day-to-day tasks. As a property manager, you handle everything from tenant relations to maintenance. You'll typically earn a fee of around 8 to 12% of the rental income. It's a steady income stream, and you don't need to own the property to make money. Let's quickly recap the 5 ways you can make money in real estate without owning any property.